It started.
Let's get this fat girl. Come on, run. Over here. Oh, please. Wait for her. Get her, gorilla. Get her. Look at fat gorilla.
You know what? I would choke you.
Look at the fat gorilla. She's choking me. This is animal cruelty. Right there. Call animal control. No. That was just a fat gorilla. She got away. We will be seeing more.
We should be calling animal control.
Let me show you another fat girl. Come on, run.
Guys, we need to walk.
Let's get the fat girls. We can walk. Walking down this hall. We got to see one.
Make fun of Misha.
Okay. Chuck Norris, everybody, give it up.
Dude said Chuck Norris.
What's up, Jalen?
Ain't this a fat girl? You got a king figure? Yeah. Let's get a look at that.
Killed every animal. Chuck Norris. On Avenue Q.
So,
Keep it up for the fag. For the faggot. Up for the fag.
Faggot.
Faggot.
Right there.
Gucci shades in that steel tank.
I think we're on Jalen like that small. Oh, damn, you like that?
What's up, Robert? Say hi to the camera.
What's up, camera?
It's going on YouTube.
I want to go on YouTube.
What? Alright.
Chuck Norris would like to give some shout-outs to his family. Chuck Norris.
Yeah, let's get a hit on that camera. Wow, isn't that one sexy lady right there? That shit is dope, man. And you're just gonna have to look that up on YouTube right now.
Chuck Norris right here.